In today's video, I will walk you through how to long Bitcoin on Deribit. To long Bitcoin on Deribit means you are placing a trade with the expectation that the price of Bitcoin will rise. One of the most common ways to do this is by using the BTC Perpetual contract. Begin by navigating to the Perpetuals market. In the top navigation menu, hover over Futures and select Perpetual. Once the market opens, make sure the active trading pair is set to BTC Perpetual. This is usually the default selection. Next, configure your margin mode and leverage before filling out the order form. At the top of the order panel, choose your preferred margin type. Cross-margin uses all available BTC in your wallet as collateral for the position. Isolated margin limits the risk of the trade to a specific amount of collateral assigned to that position. After selecting the margin type, adjust the leverage using the leverage slider. You can choose a multiplier such as 2 times, 5 times, or 10 times. Although higher leverage is available, increasing the leverage also moves the liquidation price closer to your entry price. For example, with 10 times leverage, a 10% move against your position would eliminate your collateral, so choose your leverage carefully. Now move to the order entry form. Start by selecting the order type. If you choose a limit order, you will enter the maximum price you are willing to pay, and the order will remain in the order book until it is filled. If you choose a market order, the trade is filled immediately at the best available price in the order book. If you selected a limit order, enter your preferred entry price in the price field. Then enter the position size. Keep in mind that Deribit's standard BTC contracts are inverse contracts. This means the position size is entered as a USD value, while your profits, losses, and collateral are calculated and settled in BTC. For example, entering 10,000 represents a long position worth 10,000 US dollars in Bitcoin contracts. When all of the order details are complete, click the green Buy or Long button. A confirmation window will appear showing your order details, the estimated margin required, and the approximate liquidation price. Review the information, and if everything is correct, click Confirm to place the order. After your order has been filled, scroll to the bottom of the trading interface and monitor the position using the available tabs. Open the Positions tab to track your active long position in real time. Pay close attention to the liquidation price. If Bitcoin's global mark price reaches that level, the system will automatically close your position. To help manage the trade, open the Trigger Orders tab and create either a stop market or stop limit order. This allows your position to be sold automatically if the market moves against you, helping preserve your remaining wallet balance. Thank you for watching.